Hello, welcome to Pro-M National Event Services. I'm Holly Pasessa, Vice President of Operations in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to take you on a tour of our warehouse. Let's go. At our Phoenix location, we have the largest indoor warehouse at 200,000 square feet. Not only does this allow us to store our structures and tenting, but it also allows us the space to provide larger inventory item stocks such as tables, chairs, soft furniture, decor, and so much more. We have generators ranging from 20 kilowatts up to 240 kilowatts, most commonly used in music festivals or outdoor concerts. We have a brand new fleet of light towers used for lighting parking lots, sporting events, and anything you need to keep the party going. We're currently standing in our outdoor structure and hardware area. This is where we store our beams, rafters, purlins, and pretty much any type of structure you need. We have over 4,000 tables in our inventory, including banquets, cocktails, and sit-down round tables. With over 8,000 chairs in a wide variety of styles and color, we are sure to have the perfect chair for you. In our wood shop, we design, fabricate, repair, and refurbish component items for our customers' needs. Here at our Phoenix location, we have a vinyl department that has the ability to manufacture custom tops for our clients, making them truly unique. This is our new state-of-the-art flat panel washer that we purchased to clean canvas quickly and efficiently. This unit allows us to clean a 60-meter roof panel in just 60 minutes. With over 350,000 square feet of canvas, ranging from 10 feet wide to 196 feet wide, we have every tent size to fit your need. Thanks for visiting our Phoenix office. Our doors are always open.